So you want to unlock the real power of AI? Well, guess what? You don't actually need a better AI. You just need a better way of talking to it. Today, we're diving into prompt engineering. It's the skill that, honestly, turns you from a user into the master of the machine. Come on, we've all been there, right? You ask the AI for something super specific, and what you get back is, well, it's a rambling, generic, or just plain wrong response. It's so frustrating. It makes you feel like the AI just isn't that smart. But what if I told you the problem isn't the AI at all? That's it. That's the secret. The quality of what you get out is 100% tied to the quality of what you put in. This is the whole idea behind prompt engineering. It's about learning how to ask and how to instruct in a way that guides the AI to give you exactly what you're looking for. Okay, so to get really good at this, we first need to speak the language. Let's start with a few basic terms that are going to be the foundation for everything else we talk about. First things first, the prompt itself. Now, don't just think of it as a question. It's more like a complete mission briefing for your AI. It's the whole package, your instructions, any background info the AI might need, and of course, the actual data you want it to work with. So the simplest kind of prompt is what we call a zero-shot prompt. This is what most of us do naturally. You're basically asking the AI to do something cold with zero examples, just relying on all the knowledge it was trained on. It's kind of like asking a chef to make a dish they've only ever read a description of. Okay, but now, what if you could actually show that chef a picture of the dish? Or even better, let them taste a little sample. That's a few-shot prompt. You're giving the AI just a couple of perfect examples of what you want, which acts like a super powerful guide for it to follow. Let's make this crystal clear. On the left, a zero-shot prompt, a simple request. Classify the sentiment. And yeah, the AI will probably get it right. But look at the few-shot prompt on the right. We're not leaving anything to chance. By showing it a pattern, this is awful is negative, this is the best is positive, you're guiding it to the exact answer. The AI isn't just learning the task, it's learning the format and the style you want. This is how you get precision. So, how do we actually craft these kinds of precise prompts? Well, you're going to love this because it all boils down to two simple golden rules. Yeah, that's it, just two. Seriously, all those super advanced, complex techniques you see people talking about, they're all just creative ways of applying these two core principles. Rule number one, be ridiculously clear and specific. Vagueness is your enemy here. So instead of saying something weak like, tell me about this, you give a command. Use strong verbs like summarize this article in exactly 3 bullet points, or extract the names and addresses from this text into a JSON object. The more specific you are, the less wiggle room the AI has to get it wrong. And rule number two, give the AI all the context it needs to succeed. You have to remember, it doesn't know what you know. You have to give it the source material. And a pro tip, use things called delimiters, like these triple backticks or hashtags. Think of them like fences that clearly mark off different parts of your prompt. It's like telling the AI, okay, this part is my instructions, and this part is the text you need to work on. All right, once you've really got those two golden rules down pat, that's when the real fun begins. You can start layering in some more advanced techniques to get exactly what you want every single time. Now, this one is a total game changer. It's called role-playing. And yeah, it is what it sounds like. You literally tell the AI who to be. By giving it a persona like a professional market analyst, you're doing more than just giving instructions. You're priming it to think from a certain perspective, adopt a specific tone, and use a certain level of expertise. It's incredibly powerful. And here's something you've got to remember. Your first prompt is almost never your best one. That's okay. Getting amazing results is a process. It's a cycle. When the output isn't quite right, you just analyze what went wrong, figure out why it misunderstood, tweak your prompt to be a little clearer, and then you test it again. It's all about refining. Okay, so we've got the lingo, we know the rules, we have some cool techniques, so what? Let's connect all this to the real world, because this is where all that theory turns into actual tangible power. And this is the payoff, right here. Look at these common tasks. For text summarization, you're not just getting a generic summary anymore. You can now demand a summary of a complex document for a 5-year-old or for a CEO. For information extraction, you can turn a messy pile of customer reviews into clean, structured data that's ready for a spreadsheet. It's all about taking control and getting predictable, reliable results. And for all you developers out there, this is where things get really exciting. A perfectly crafted prompt isn't just a one-time thing you run in a chat window. It becomes a reliable, reusable component that you can build right into an application, automating really complex language tasks at a massive scale. Your prompt basically becomes the engine of your app. So you see, the real power isn't just in the AI. It's in your ability to direct it. By mastering the art of the prompt, you've just gone from being a passive user to an active creator. You're not just talking to the machine anymore. You're telling it what to do. You've got the keys now. The only question left is, what are you going to ask it to create?